Softr is a platform that allows you to build your business apps, internal tools, or external portals without coding. And you actually don't have to start from scratch. You can pick from the almost 100 templates that are available. For example, this client portal template that you can easily preview to see how the app looks like. And whenever you're ready, you can use this template, which will copy it to your workspace. Moving to the Softr App Studio, you can also find the templates here whenever you are creating a new app. Let's search for a CRM template. We see here that we have a couple options, and we will go for this AI CRM, and I'll simply have to click on Use Templates to duplicate the app interface and the database to my workspace here. I can then go ahead and personalize these templates to make it more adapted to my company. For example, here for our CRM pipeline, we have an additional stage. For the app interface, I can also customize everything, including the fonts, the accent color, different stylings here, and of course, customize every block. And when I'm ready to publish my template, I can also go in here in the settings and add a custom subdomain or connecting my custom domain here. And whenever I'm ready, I just have to hit publish. So to summarize, there are around 100 app templates ready for your business, internal tools, customer portals, and you'll simply have to find the one that best fits your use case to copy it to your workspace, and both the database and the interface will be ready for you to customize and to publish.